Okay, let's create an interesting assembly of a man with a hat and a pillow, travel pillow. Okay, assume that we are following bottom-up approach, which means that you create parts first and keep it in a folder, and then bring them in assembly and apply constraints. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So first, I already opened in assembly, but I will do it again. New, and you click this assembly. Okay, now it will ask you where the folder. So I have created a folder. So here it is. The first thing is just let's see what we have. You can see extra large files that I have had created, man, pillows, and I have two different pillows, travel pillow and regular pillow. Okay, so I open the man first. So keep it here. It's created by, we'll look at how this is created, but it's made by a bunch of features: loft, revolve, extrude, a bunch of extrude, revolve, and so on. Okay, you need multiple plane in order to create this. So now it's fixed. It's assembly. Now I'll bring more component from assembly. Let me bring a hat and put the hat here. Okay, as you see, the hat is big, but let me apply constraint. So let's put the hat on the top of this. Okay, we can either scale the hat or this. Let's put everything first. Let's bring the hat and this travel. They should carry. Okay, so especially when you work a group project, you may have different size, then you may be able to adjust by scaling. Okay, now let's put the hat on here. So I bring them this closer, I'll bring this, drag this here. Now explore here. So what kind of constraint should we apply in order to put in this here? So we see that the surface is flat. So we will look at apply constraint on this. Okay, the first thing is we need to make it concentric. Okay, so let's explore this guy. See, it was created by a sketch like this, so it has center. Okay, we can turn off the axis or for displaying the, okay, for applying constraint. Now what we can do is, here is the top plane, mid plane, we can mix, apply this mate with the plane of this one. Let's explode the head of this guy. It is not this, like this. Yeah, mate. I think this will constrain our head. Then we'll lower it. And then this pillow horizontal surface, we make another mate with this guy. So resting on the surface should be fine. Okay. Now this guy has the pillow, travel pillow. Okay, we didn't fix this axis so it can move back and forth, so we can determine that in order to fix. So what we can do is that travel pillow axis, this plane, and not the assembly, the man, expand that, and this. We cannot do that. I think we already applied two constraints. Let's see what are the constraints. The first thing is the bottom is constraint, and the side. Okay, so now mate with this. Is the pillow frontal plane to the humanoid, this part. It's good to name the planes, otherwise it's confusing because we have a bunch of planes. Delete this. Doing great. Okay, we can translate. Let's bring that out. Okay, now we can see. Okay, this surface, that this surface is aligned with that. The only thing is that the middle one is the one that we're looking for, which is not this one, this one, the frontal, along mate with this axis, with a distance. Okay, distance, let's say 100. No, it didn't take. So let's see what we have in this head. I create this horizontal, another is different. So I will create another plane parallel to this. Okay. Reference along that. Yeah, that's it about that axis. And the second reference is this. Parallel, perpendicular to that, fully defined. Okay. Now this plane, mate, with the travel pillow. This. No, we cannot do perpendicular. No, I think. Let me edit this. Edit that axis. Another reference. Okay, one is this. Through this face. And another one through this axis. Not valid. Perpendicular cannot be done. Coincident can work. Why do we make on this face? For this face it should be parallel. What's wrong? Wait, delete this. Okay. Delete that. First axis is through this. Third axis I need to get another one, which is assembly. Parallel. Yes, so now it's fully defined. Okay. Here's the assembly. So now I will do mate that plane and the pillow front. A distance. Let's see. Yeah, it will violate one of the constraints, but I will delete that later because it violates with the coincidence. That's the one that's creating a problem, so I'll delete that. Okay, then it should be fine, see? The one that created a problem was the previous coincident, okay? Now I have applied to 2. Okay. Next, I'll put the axis aligned. Okay. I'll select this axis, mate. Where's this? I need to put the head on the top of it. It's so big. So now what I will do is scale. In the assembly mode, I will directly scale the head. Okay. All that I need to do is select this, edit, save, yes. Now what I'll do is I'll select this head and scale. Go to the features and there is a scale. not in here, so I'll go to insert feature scale. Then what I will do is uniform scale about the same thread. I have to reduce by half at least, 0.5. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see. Yay! Now this dude is having a hat, and we'll get rid of all this axis, and we don't want to show the sketching plane, so in the hat I go there, open that, hide this sketch. Okay. I don't want to show the 3D sketch. Hide it. Close. Yes. I'm still there. Oh, okay. No, I think here view curves. It should be this one. Okay. Now that's our humanoid dressed up. Okay. And that's it. Save.